Not wasting time, let's get straight to work. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to tell you 36 such glow-up tips that will change your face, body, and entire style game in the next 30 days. Just the tips that actually work, so let's get started. First thing, keep your water intake full throughout the day, because drinking less water makes the skin look tired and dull. So stay hydrated, and a natural glow will automatically come on your face. Also, wash your face twice a day for sure, in the morning after waking up, and at night before sleeping, because dust, oil, and pollution keep accumulating throughout the day. And yes, make sunscreen a daily habit because UV rays cause both skin damage and tanning, so protect your skin by applying sunscreen daily. Sleep is equally important, so complete 7 to 9 hours of sleep, because sleeping less drains both the body's energy and the face's glow. One small thing that people often ignore: always chew food from both sides, because chewing from only one side makes the jaw size uneven, which doesn't look good. If we talk about style, definitely try monochromatic outfits. Wearing the same color tone from top to bottom gives the eyes an illusion of height and makes you look taller and sharper. Along with this, also practice mewing, meaning keeping the tongue resting on the upper part of the mouth. This improves facial posture and makes the jawline sharper. Don't forget to use a tongue cleaner too, because mouth odor mostly comes. One thing that's very underrated is keeping your shoes clean, because people notice not just clothes but shoes too. Dirty shoes can weaken your entire personality. Change your pillow cover every week, because the oil and bacteria that build up on it cause pimples. And also use a good fragrance, because how you smell matters just as much as how you look. Choose a haircut according to your face shape, because not every style suits every face. And similarly, dress according to your body type. Find out which colors and cuts suit your skin tone and body shape. Talking about fitness, include cardio in your routine. Walk, run, cycling, or skipping. This burns calories and makes you look fit and energetic. Keep your lips hydrated. Stop licking them repeatedly and keep a lip balm with you. Include fruits and vegetables in your diet, because they have vitamins and minerals that are necessary for both skin and health. And also reduce sugar intake, because too much sugar and junk food increase both pimples and weight gain. Every morning, sit in the sun for 10 minutes for sure. Vitamin D will be maintained naturally. Just avoid harsh sunlight. And make a habit of walking 5 to 10,000 steps daily, even if you can't go to the gym. This is the easiest way to keep the body active. If you keep a beard, choose a style according to your face shape. The right style gives a mature look. Keep your phone screen clean, because this is where the most bacteria accumulate and reach the face through hands. Maintain eye contact while talking. This reflects both confidence and trust. Take protein in your daily diet: eggs, paneer, chicken, or lentils, because this is necessary for muscles, skin, and hair. Always keep your posture straight, because slouching while walking or sitting gives a weak impression. Once a week, apply oil or a hair mask to your hair. And if you can't go to the gym, then start home workouts. Always wear pressed clothes. They don't need to be expensive, just clean and ironed for a neat look. Avoid screens 30 minutes before sleeping. Sleep will be better, and the face will look fresh the next morning. Keep a separate towel for your face, because bacteria from the body towel can transfer to the face. And keep your teeth clean, because clean white teeth make the smile more attractive. Make a habit of reading for 10 to 15 minutes daily. This will improve both knowledge and communication skills, and a smart personality is also part of the glow-up. Smile more, because a genuine smile makes you both friendly and attractive. Try to gradually reduce extra body fat, because a lean body mostly looks more attractive. Stop comparing yourself to others and focus on yourself, because the real glow-up only starts when you begin improving your own life. And the most important thing, maintain consistency, because a real glow-up doesn't come in one day. Daily habits are what give results. Lastly, build powerful body language, because this is the most important part of a real glow-up. If you want to understand all the science behind body language and take it to the next level,